How to log into Fiverr account. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can basically log in to your Fiverr account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to log into your Fiverr account, all you have to do is simply open up your browser. Then once you open up your browser, go to www.fiverr.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. Now when you go to fiverr.com, you'll land on this page, which you can use to hire freelancers or simply post your own job that freelancers can bid on. To log into your Fiverr account, click the sign in or the join button if you have not yet created an account. Now if you already have, then click on the sign in button. You can sign in using your email address, username or password. If you forgot your password, you can click on forgot password to reset it. Now in my case, my Fiverr account is linked with my continue with Google account, so I'll just select Google account over here and I'll just select my Google account, and you can see I'm successfully logged in because you can see my profile. And now you can see I have already successfully applied in Fiverr, and this is simply how you can create and log into your Fiverr account. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.